Welcome to Fast Facts with Bob, Meat Edition. Cattle make up 65% of greenhouse gas emissions from the livestock sector.
That's a lot.
More than 4 in 10 Americans think that beef does not contribute to global warming. The carbon cost of beef is about 20 times per gram of protein than it is for beans. If the entire world switched to a plant-rich diet, business-as-usual emissions could be decreased by as much as 70%. This is Bob. Bob loves meat, but Bob loves the environment more. Bob knows to eat more greens and less meat. Bob is reducing his carbon footprint. Be like Bob.